Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Solpup token. Now the Solpup token recently got put into the launchpad list on Presale.finance. This is a brand new meme coin on the Solana blockchain. They have a pretty decent social media following. And they have a Seifu badge, audit, KYC. This is going to be a public pre-sale. You don't need to be on a whitelist or anything like that. And it starts very soon. And we're going to go over the information on the Solpup token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can follow their Telegram at Solpup Official. 8,922 Telegram members. 678 of them are online right now, so that's a great place to join the discussion, talk to other community members, see what they think about the token, about the project. And it says ticker symbol SOLP, where Shiba power meets Solana potential. And then they also have linked on that Telegram a different announcement channel, which is just a whole bunch of numbers and letters. So you just have to go to Solpup Official to find that announcement channel. And then they have a Twitter, which as usual I'm going to put in the corner of the screen there. And they also have a web page there. So their Twitter is at Solpup Official. I believe that was the Telegram too, wasn't it? So it's pretty easy to find all of these pages if they have the same name. So yeah, their Twitter is another great place to see new listings, partnerships, announcements, you know, whether it be coin listing sites or central exchange or decentralized exchange listings. The socials like the Twitter and Telegram are the best place to see that. And they have 9,837 followers on their Twitter. They just joined in May 2024. And yeah, they have a link to their webpage and Telegram on there as well. Solpup.co is the webpage. So in their pinned tweet, it says, "Big news, Solpup community. We're thrilled to announce the upcoming Solpup Fair launch on Presale. Join the launch," and it has a link there. "Don't miss on the most anticipated pre-sale event of the year. Secure your Solpup tokens and be part of the Solpup movement." And of course, they have tons of memes on their page there. You could check that out. It says, "Let's take Solpup to the moon together." So on their webpage, tokenomics, story, all that type of stuff here. So it says, "Number 1, to the solar moon. In meme coin world, Shiba travels through space. Number 2, the spaceship crash. Shiba puppy's spaceship crashes on the Solana moon, sending him tumbling onto the dusty surface. And number 3, Shiba feels lost. Shiba puppy struggles for oxygen and food, seeking shelter among lunar rocks." And then 4, found a cave. Shiba puppy discovers glowing crystals in a cave, gaining magical powers. Number 5, if it works here, number 5, demolishes cats. Shiba puppy comes back to Earth as Solpup and demolishes the cat memes. And lastly, number 6, doggos are great again. Solpup saves the dog world. So they do have a roadmap on here, starting with website launch, social media launch, initial marketing, pre-sale on Presale, decentralized exchange listings, influencer marketing, DEX tools trending, coin market cap trending, CoinGecko trending, central exchange listings, and then a game launch. So eventually they're going to come out with their own game. Their partners are CoinSalt, Raydium, DexView, DexTools, Presale. They have a whole bunch of different tweets on their page that they picked out that you could check out as well on their webpage. So we'll have a look at their audit here in a second, but they did get a SAFU badge, which means they passed a certain criteria of security in order to get that badge, like a good liquidity lock, etc. So this is going to be a public pre-sale. No need to be on a whitelist. It says no minimum buy, but max buy is 10 SOL, and that's to decentivize whales from buying too many tokens and creating a pump and dump later on. So it says here liquidity allocation 60%, no team tokens, LP locked for 1 year, best artists and memes, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Fast Track, tax free, 0% buy and sell tax. Solpup, all one word, is the name of the token. Solp is the ticker symbol. 9 decimal places on this token. Total supply is 1 billion tokens, and there is a soft cap of 10 SOL for the pre-sale, and there's no hard cap, which means the pre-sale is just going to go until time runs out, basically. So pre-sale will start June 22nd, 13 hours UTC time, and it's going to go for a full week. It's going to go until June 29th, 13 hours UTC time. Now, if you end up missing this pre-sale and you're watching this video later on, and you want to get the token, first of all, hit subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these new tokens. But second of all, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to Raydium for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Phantom wallet or your Solflare wallet with Sol, going into the dApps, finding Raydium, and then trading your Sol for this token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, solpup.co. You won't have to worry about slippage because it's at 0% taxes, and liquidity will be locked on Raydium for 365 days. Probably it'll also go over to Jupiter, maybe other dexes as well. So 60% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 34.2% go to liquidity, and 5.8% central exchange listings. Now, they do have a full analytics audit that you could review, and they got a 90% score on there, so it's not a perfect score. But it says 0 minor, medium, major, 0 critical, and 0 informational issues. So they just lost some points for whatever else. But you can go through their audit, through the fine details if you like. And let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.